Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to download Riot client. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to the official game website. So simply search for Riot game, hit enter. Now, click on the link that says riotgames.com and you'll be taken to this page. Now, what you'll have to simply do is click on any one of the games from here. For example, I will choose Valorant. Now, once I click on Valorant, I'll have to click on Play for Free. Now, choose your desired platform. So I'm going to choose PC. Now, click on Sign In. Or if you don't have a Riot account, simply create one. Now follow the prompt, and after you have completed the steps and signed into the Riot Games page, you will see the download button here. So what you'll have to simply do is click on download icon here. It will instantly download an exe file that says install and that game's name. Now, you'll have to simply navigate to your downloads folder. So once this download gets finished, you'll have to simply navigate to downloads and click on the install Valorant option or the install game option. Now click on yes. After you do this, you'll have to click on install icon and that will instantly install the Riot client. So this is not the game installing, but it is the Riot client. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.